but the show must go on. I don't know whose natural makeup look has shimmer. My main character moment. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kiana and you should subscribe to help make my channel a safe community. And I see you've joined us here today to see like how do you do a natural makeup look that's like perfect for this effortless IG pics that we all want. This is a look that is very model of duty, like airport, like on the go, 90s kind of supermodel, very natural, your skin but better, I was born this way kind of makeup look. So yeah, I'm just wearing like 3 products, like that's it. So this is very natural, and yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Honestly, I have a very tough idea of how I want to go about this video, but we are channeling Sporty Spice today with this hairband, screen, and these pigtails. Like, come on, you better work.
I have one thing to say. You better work, bitch.
This is the e.l.f. Polish Putty primer that I'm using. I'm using it with a brush, but it's got like these dents that's like formed because of the bristles of the brush that is triggering me. But the show must go on. This mirror is so dirty. I always see like pretty like women that are like the beauty standard kind of do this makeup look, but I've never seen someone that looks like me do this makeup look, like hyperpigmentation, pores, acne prone skin, dry skin, so we welcome variety. I really said inclusivity. And I'm just doing this video because I'm not enjoyed, like sat down, relaxed, done a makeup look in so long. Like I've always been on like go mode, So I just want to do an easy makeup look and just enjoy it, It's been so long since I've done makeup for doing makeup. Like I always take pictures, like I do it for reels or YouTube video. I've not done it for myself. Like it is for myself, but like not done it in like a therapeutic. It's like when an artist just like paints brush strokes kind of way. So yeah, we have a couple new friends joined us here. So yeah, it's perfect. I'll show you how to fix that. Already did my brows because I hate doing my brows on camera, and I have to get my brows done so they're not in the. This is not them today, not them. Okay, for foundation, I'm taking the slightest bit of the LA Pro Coverage foundation in the shade Warm Beige, like just a dot, because we are going to spot coverage, right? Really fast motions because you want it to dry down, you want to blend, and a wet beauty sponge is the key to looking like making makeup look like your skin. Wherever you need coverage, you can add it, but you know what? Like, let's romanticize acne, Like, let it show through a bit, like it's okay. So I'm now taking the LA Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and this I like to use for my acne. Then using some on the bridge of my nose, and yeah, I'm going to blend this with the tip of my fingers. Make sure your fingers are like clean though. Emphatic motions, don't rub this, or I will come and haunt you for the rest of your life. Don't worry if it ends up, you take the beauty sponge and go over it. And let me remind you that real skin has texture, so all your favorite beauty gurus or like these girls that are doing this like natural makeup look, they have like skin, so there's like tiny pores and stuff that get blurred because of the smoothing filter and stuff like that. So it's really not that deep, it's just makeup going to look like makeup, So if it's not perfect, it's because those people have smooth filters to make it seem like it's perfect when it's not really perfect. Taking a brush to blend, make sure to take it down your neck, and I'm just taking my little sponge and just going over everything, just feeling that, just relax, just take a little chill pill, delightful. Now we're doing a little bit of concealer. We're using the Spotlight Ready Liquid Coverage in the shade Nutcracker. Just center here and middle here. Just some on the eyelids, and we're gonna gently pinch the sponge and the tapping motion to blend it. And make sure you keep it in that area, or again I will come and haunt you. I don't want this reaching the end of your cheek, you know. Just keep it in that area. This is the VIP section. You keep it in the VIP section. Got it? Good. I'm literally talking to myself in the room. So like, yes Kiona, I got it. I love looking up like that and then blending the concealer, so it really gets in all those crevices. Once you're done that, just set it with some translucent powder. And out.
And I, oh,
Remember that name, oh my gosh, iconic. I use the sponge only to set it. We're done with the base, sort of. Now we're gonna do some ever so slight contour, just make you feel like you're like naturally born with the like really enhanced cheekbones. I'm taking this cool tone, medium cool tone, just right at the like start of the year here. Just I like to keep it there and just shove it in my skin, you know. And then buff that out. Same here. I like to make sure it's high and not low. And on my hairline, I'm really insecure about this, so definitely put that in. And we're gonna do some really natural nose contour. And some under your lips too. Of course, this makes your lips look poutier. So yeah, now let's do the eyes. For eyes, we're gonna keep it pretty natural. For eyes, I'm using my trusty Jackie Aina palette. I'm gonna just take ginger, this warm shade, and just brush it all over. That's it. Just to bring back some life in my eyes, so I don't look like 2D but 3D or 4D. Just very lazily put it all over your lid. Doesn't have to be perfect. If you want it to be like there's some color, and then I'm taking Jam, which is like a sparkly shade, just putting like a little, just for some sheen. Why not? I don't know whose natural makeup look has shimmer, but mine does. Now I'm going to be taking some black kajal and just smudging it on the outer part of the top eyelid, and then lining the inner corner, and then tight line. Oops. Don't tight line aggressively, or that happened. Of course, this happens to me. Using the smudger as a eraser always works. I'm just doing that slight wing and repeat. I don't like dark brown because it barely shows. I prefer a black. It's more suitable for my skin tone. But if you're paler than me, sure, go ahead. Why not? Makeup doesn't have any rules. You just choose what you like and decide to follow that. So take a little brush and some dark brown. Just smudge it a bit. Some dark brown on my lower lash line too. After you do that, then you're gonna put some highlighter inner part of your eyes. Do not skip that if you want to look somewhat awake. We're just gonna curl our lashes. I like to curl one eyelash, like one side of my eyelashes at a time, and then apply a generous coat of mascara. Look at the difference. Like, stop. Are you kidding me? It's so creepy. Okay. Repeat on the other side. Then you're just going to run some contour, like a neutral contour here, the lower lash line. Now we're going to use some cream blush. This one's the Flower Beauty Blush Bomb in the shade Melon. Along here. Just quickly blending that with a little brush. Then To set that, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Blush Creator in the shade Afterglow. And to blend that out, I'm taking my damp sponge to just make it look cohesive, just like I'm flushing from within. Then taking my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, just putting that on the highest points of my cheek. I like to use this with a fluffier brush. I don't like it looking like a streak. I'm going to put it on my nose. Then we're almost done. Just lining my lips. This is how I like to line my lips. Start at the cupid's bow, work my way around, and then the bottom. I like to overline a bit. It's the Wet n Wild Chestnut. This is the only lip liner I like. I have others, but then I take my favorite liquid lipstick. This is the Sephora Liquid Lip. And just not a lot, just tiny bit. This one is the shade 18. This is the reason kind of I made this video to use this lip gloss. This is the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Love Bite. So excited to use it. Yeah, it's a brown shade. Stunning. And then I'm just setting my face out. I need to get one. But yeah, I'm going to maybe do my hair. Am I going to do my hair? I don't know. But I'm going to just change my earrings and give you the final reveal and fix anything that's messed up. And I just did some pigtails. No, like some braids. And I just pulled out a couple pieces and I put my little hoops. And this is the finished makeup look. It's the natural, not love duty kind of look. I hope you like this. I'm obsessed with how this look turned out. So I hope you like this too. Character moment. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. This video, big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.